So I have Sanat and Sugandha in front of me. We recently bought this property, number 10 Bates in Thomastown. Look at the frontage. It's, I think, 20-meter wide. And I just want to share how the clients are feeling about this purchase, how they feel about the service. Say, Sanat and Sugandha, if you can just tell us.
Sure. So you came highly recommended by Arvind, who is like a family friend.
Okay.
So there was no need of going on Google, checking your reviews. I just went ahead, and to be honest, we've never looked back. Fascinating experience, fantastic experience, very smooth ride. Anytime I could have messaged you, anytime I could have called you,
Yes.
you were always there to respond back. And I think generally with all the other buyer's agent who I was trying to evaluate at that time, they were not this upfront with me on how they actually do the process, how they actually find these properties,
Yeah.
what is the best way forward. And they don't look too deep into your family situation, but you were there.
Yeah.
You looked into all of those things, and I think you've gotten the best deal in the area. So I'm really happy.
I think the in-depth knowledge that you guys brought it, I think the impression was very clear that these guys know their craft. They are doing the homework on art, which is why we want to hire professionals because we are involved, but we don't want to go into those, and we might not know those things that you guys are skilled into. So that due diligence, showing us a property, and the answer, as he told us there was one property report. That part really got my trust. That they're not just pushing for the money part of it. We did a lot of research.
Yeah, I think I spoke to at least 5 or 6 buyers agents before finalizing you guys. The best thing that stood out was, I think you were very transparent with what process you follow.
Yeah.
These are the tools you use. This is how you shortlist a property. And then obviously the connect that we were able to build when I spoke to Vish, when I spoke to you, I think we built that connect where I felt, yes, these guys are there to look after you, not just any other buyer's agent who's just looking after their fees and just show you 2 properties and give you 2 options and just ask you to go ahead with it.
There was an effort put it. We
Yeah.
see that in terms of the knowledge that you guys had, the way you were presenting it, and backed by facts.
Yeah.
Right, and the data, which speaks for itself. So that really caught my attention. It's like what I didn't meet you guys,
Yeah, no, we have not even interacted.
Yeah.
and getting his confidence on any of such things is very hard and thin.
Oh, really?
It's hard to his heart, right? When he was like, yeah, it happened, and then I come into it. It's like, okay, fine, but we had this session of questioning. I was satisfied, he was satisfied, and he's like, let's just. Then we didn't take a lot of time.
Yeah. So we've given you a long answer to a short question, but
I didn't expect to speak this much.
Were you happy with the sale?
I'm happy because for me, he knows it. For me, the cosmetics part really mattered. To buy the house.
Yeah.
And
I mean, the lady was living here for 27 years.
this
so
actually gives you a homely feel.
Yes.
It gives you like what we used to live in the Laverton house. It's exactly that.
Only I like his tree, and I like the frontage, and this posted about the frontage is like, it's really good, and I vibe the house.
Yeah.
It's not this one of the shady ones, it's about
I know you should not get emotionally attached to the property because you're an investor, but still you have to think from end user's perspective, and this house I think checks all the boxes.
Now, Vish and I came personally to see this property. A lot of properties we are buying interstate, we are not even seeing it, but we have our people who, they're doing all the groundwork for us. Same quality, but yeah, this one we inspected ourselves. So would you recommend us to anybody?
No, definitely not. I want to keep you to ourselves only, not share the magic with anyone else. I want my friends to come back and say, what happened? Suddenly you have so many other properties that you purchase. Maybe after 10 years down the line, I'll tell them, I have a buyer's agent who's like working on my side. No, but on a serious note, yes, I would definitely recommend you. Like I said, of course, why not? I think...
but only after you give us a good amount of properties, only then we'll pass on to the word.
We're already in the market. We have a second one very soon. And we'll look for... Obviously, like I said, I think you made us feel comfortable. It feels as if we found new friends. It's been really nice talking to you guys. And you've been very supportive throughout the journey.
Glad. Thank you.